Welcome to Nuclear Engagement. Here is how to use this service. First, sign up, create a free account on the Nuclear Engagement app. You receive an email to verify your email address. Then log in to the app, download the plugin, install it on your WordPress website. Go to Setup. To set up the plugin, you need a gold code. This is also called an API key. You create one, copy it, and paste it here. Click Authorize. Now your site is authorized to generate content, and Nuclear Engagement can send data to your website. You're ready to go. Click Dashboard to have an overview of your content. In this demo site, some posts already have quizzes and summaries, and others don't. You can also break down by categories, authors, or post types. For example, this post, why do cats purr? The quiz is empty, you can see it here, and the summary is also empty. The power of Nuclear Engagement is that you can generate engaging content automatically in bulk. Yes, you can also type it manually, but that's what every other quiz plugin can do. Instead, if you have a large blog, you want to do it in bulk, automatically. Click Generate. Let's say we want to create a quiz for every post that doesn't have one. So the settings are already correct. All posts, type posts, we generate a quiz. We leave unchecked this. That means that if there is existing quizzes, they won't be overwritten. There are 3 posts that lack a quiz and will generate. Click Generate. Wait until the process is done. For a few posts, that's a matter of seconds. For hundreds of posts, it's a matter of a minute or 2. It's done. And you can see on the post editor that now this post has a quiz. It was generated today. Here's question 1, here are the answers, and so on. There are 10 questions with 4 answers each. And the summary is missing. You can do the same in bulk here, or you can also generate, let's say you want to test it out, or you want to adjust to tweak the content. You can do it one by one here. And here it is. We have a summary. And your post is to show you the difference. Here it is. This post now has a summary at the top and a quiz at the bottom of the post content, which makes it more engaging. You can adjust where to display it. If you want to do it via shortcode, the quickest way is to set before and after. So if your template doesn't allow for widgets with shortcodes, or you just don't know what a shortcode is, no problem. Do before and after and save. That works. You can adjust the look and feel, how many questions per quiz you want to display. If you want to capture emails, you can do it at the end of the quiz. here, enable opt-in. And there are also other settings you might want to take advantage of. And here you have engaging content created in one click. I want to stress out that what I just did, it took a minute. Well, creating it took a few seconds. The same effort it takes to create one post, one quiz, 10 quizzes, 1,000 quizzes. This is the power of nuclear engagement.